Welcome to the weekend 2022, let's go! Hello and welcome to day 2 of the weekend. Today we are launching at Patricks, which is where we are now, and then we are going to Aberystwyth for some dinner, because why not, and then see what happens in between there. First lesson of the day: make sure you keep your keys dry.
I thought you were going
and don't drop your GoPro. Lesson number 2: on a sunny day like this, put some sun cream on, especially if you're ginger. I mean, I'm hybrid. What colour am I, Dan?
Ginger.
Hybrid.
Ginger. Ginger Yeti.
Even though it's sunny, it doesn't mean it's going to be warm. So bring a couple of layers with you. Yeah, layers. Because even when it's stopped, it's quite nice, it's quite warm. But when you're going along, the wind chill, just a little bit of bite in the air. Lesson number 4. We are out in the middle of absolutely nowhere. But if you look on the chart, we have St. Patricks Causeway. It comes out from there and carries on for about 12 miles. A little bit about the St. Patrick's Causeway, which we're on now. Basically it's where 2 tides come together, so one from the south, one from the north, or from the west around the Limb Peninsula, and they just come together. It's built a wall basically, and at very low tide it rises out the water about half a metre or so, and yeah, one big wall of boulders. Good for fishing though, apparently. I don't do fishing, Dan does. But if you want some bream, this is the place to come. Welcome to Bournemouth. And this leads to the next lesson, number 5. Even though there's a buoy channel into the harbour, doesn't mean that you can get there in certain states of tide. Like right now we're just creeping in because there is a sandbar just underneath the water. get a boat or anything, keep a deck change with you if you can. And very handy. Number 6, always keep a good lookout. Got Dan here on my shoulder, making sure I'm not crashing. So yeah, there's number 6. Welcome to Aberystwyth. Lesson number 7. When you come into a harbour, get your ropes ready, just like so. And keep plenty of ropes on the boat with you. One tomorrow.
Tie occupants off.
Well, yeah. Whatever you're into. I don't do what normally do, food reviews, but fish and chip shop on the pier, on the Royal Pier in Aberystwyth. Best fish and chips I've had for years. Just a recommendation for you. So that was a lovely little walk around Aberystwyth. Time to go. Back up the valley. What number are we on? Fact 7. Take plenty of water with you and plenty of snacks, because out here the sun gets you. You need plenty of hydration and then a little bit of sugar here and there, because even though you think you're not doing much, you do quite a bit, so it does take quite a lot of energy. Number 8. Take your safety gear with you. First aid, or life jacket, anything like that, radios, all sorts of things like that. Fact number 9. There you go. Always make sure you've got enough fuel for your trip. And fact number 10, go out and blimmin' enjoy yourself. I think for now though, we'll see you tomorrow. think that's the end of this week's video. We are back at the slipway at Menai, and it's time for the weekend to finish. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you like what you see, subscribe, I hope you've learned something as well. Please comment below if there's anything you'd like to see in the future. But for now, we will see you on the next one. Bye.